In Hindu Dharma, we recognize that animals also have souls. The soul, their consciousness, also exists in plants. It pervades the whole of nature, although it is not always differentiated or individualized in the same manner. So there is that same essence of feeling or knowing there. And so in Hindu Dharma, there is that recognition. In traditional societies. We have sacred animals, sacred plants. In India, the cow is honored. This is not a matter of worshiping the animal as an animal, but recognizing our common divine heritage and universal life with other creatures as well. And then animals can also represent mysterious and transcendent forms of energy. Ganesha with the head of an elephant, a certain sense of transcendence there. There is this understanding of the animals as aspects or expressions of the divine word. We also have the cosmic tree. We have all these ways of looking at life. So it is the honoring of that same divine being and that same wisdom and learning to understand how life manifests through all of the different forms that Hindu Dharma honors, not just simply looking into the animal as something in itself. In fact, Hindu Dharma teaches us we have to transcend our animal urges and go back to that inner light in which we're no longer seeking to dominate or control, but to understand and to bring greater happiness and peace into the world.